Well, our airplane's broken.
We're gonna blame it on the Noob family.
Yeah, the Noob family's on this plane and they broke it. I'm pretty sure it was the Noob family's fault. They're in the very back. They're the ones to blame. Well, well, well. What did you guys do? What did you guys do? It was his fault. He did it.
Okay.
Mega $1 million.
You're gonna get $1 million.
Yeah, mega million.
Okay.
Not just a million. Mega million, yeah.
Okay, you get $1 million. I'm opening up my vlog channel and you're on the intro.
Do you play lottery?
You know, I like to play lottery.
Yeah. To give you money.
Okay, thanks for calling me. I talk to you probably tomorrow, because you call me all the time.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And that's how you open up a vlog right there, Kason. That's how it's done.
He loves you back.
That guy, he told me I love you. He's like, I love you. I love you so much. These telemarketer guys call me literally every day. So I just talk to them, tell them I love them, and we talk about Christmas and how's their family doing. They waste my time, so I waste theirs. Anyways, welcome back to the vlog. It's day number 5 of us taking over Great Wolf Lodge in Arizona. It's day number 2 of Clamour Summit 2021. Who's excited?
Me.
Are you?
Me.
There's some sponsors downstairs. There's some breakfast downstairs. We're gonna meet up with the clique. We're gonna eat some breakfast, talk with some sponsors, check out all the latest and greatest hot new toys. What you think about that? Hot
I'm gonna
new
take
toys?
all the toys.
No,
and
you're
all the
not.
hot breakfast, because I'm hungry.
Breakfast, toys, fun, water park, Magic Quest, Great Wolf Lodge. What else could you ask for? Today's the last day though. Today's our last full day. We have to make today count. Come along with us. Let's start with breakfast. The food here it's been pretty good so far. The taco place downstairs has probably been my favorite. We've eaten there pretty much every day because I love some tacos.
They have the French fries and the chicken tenders, and that's really good.
Very good. I'm just glad the telemarketer said, I love you so much.
It actually was a telemarketer.
Sometimes they get mad.
Yeah,
That was really nice.
Oh, look at that guy. What the? Cinnamon rolls for breakfast? My guy right there. Those are mine. Those are, okay. Oh, he took them back. He took them back. Dude, what a spread. What a spread we got.
Right?
You got food in line? Look.
Sprinkled out everywhere. And then there's 2 eggs. 5 dinosaurs and 2 eggs floating around the entire Great Wolf Lodge. They have, you only have to stamp your egg once. Each dinosaur has a different color stamp. And once you stamp them, you come back and you guys can get eggs as a prize, and then you get write your name on the back, you get a chance to win the whole collector set that's right over there. Oh, it's bonus! Spin it again, you get 2. So spin it again. Okay, so spin it again. You get 4. Okay, you have to sing.
Sing what?
Yeah, sing, you gotta sing a song.
Sing Jurassic World. A, B, C, D, E,
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Appropriate dino stomp dance. Here you go.
called Pixicade, and you can actually draw your own video game. Take a picture of it on your iPad, and then boom, you get to play your own video game. How cool is that?
Oh, you got it.
All right, here's Kaysen's game. Look at your little green guy, Kaysen. That's awesome. Yeah, hey, you guys slow down. Yeah.
I think they need to charge them up.
Slow down a little bit there, guys. Yeah, easy. There we go. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking.
Take that one. All right. So then you can add. You can take any of these putty colors over here.
Whoa, look at that.
Hold again, it'll go back to its other color. It's very cool, yeah. So you can even take this out in the sun, and this, as you're holding it in your hand, it will change colors on you. It's a fun one. It's a new one.
Whoa, that is the biggest amount of putty I think I've ever seen in my life. Whoa. What do you think? You can barely hold it, can you?
You can put it down, honey. Here, I'll hold it and you pull it. So you can see the special part of this one. Pull a big chunk and look at the putty. As you said, it's all glittery, right? Look at the putty when you pull it.
It's changed color.
Yep, it's
So
blue
pretty.
underneath.
Happy! I love it. So we just went over to Crazy Erin's Putty and we got to make our own putty. That was super cool, huh?
Yeah, and we have like 5 pounds of putty.
I think she said it was like 25 pounds. It was huge. I'm gonna go check on Daylin. He is over here playing with the Crazy Erin's Putty, making his own putty, and these guys are awesome over here. You gotta check it out. Is it delicious?
This is 25 pounds. What is this? Ew. Yeah, this is 25 pounds of putty. Oh yeah?
Just don't drop it on the ground.
25 pounds.
Nobody likes dirt in their putty.
No, bro.
25 pounds, Kaysen?
20.
Can you even pick that up?
Yeah, I can, bro. I'm strong.
Whoa, you strong. Oh, look at those guns.
Oh, we're gonna three-way stretch.
But then you stretch on mommy's side.
Here, you come on this side.
Oh, don't let it fall.
Pulling with it.
One way. It's gonna fall.
You got it. You hold it in the middle.
This is just pulling it off. Oh no, it's falling.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
Grab it from the middle.
Oh my gosh. It's falling, it's falling.
Kaysen, you can have as many of these as you can carry. How many can you carry?
I can carry a lot, but my belly will show.
Awesome.
37.
You think you have 37 eggs?
Yeah.
No big deal, don't mind me. Just walking around with some eggs.
Mommy,
What?
you push the buttons for me.
I will definitely push the buttons for you. I don't think Daddy's gonna believe how many eggs we have. My guess is 27. You said 37. Let's get Daddy's reaction. I bet he's gonna freak out.
Wait, what just
They
happened?
said you can have as many as you can carry. So if you run back there now, she
Oh
will
my
load you up
gosh.
as many as you can carry.
Do it! 'Cause we-
That's so many.
He's doing it! We can get
That's
more.
so many eggs. Kaysen, dude, how many eggs did you get?
Hold on, let me count.
We never counted.
Let me count.
A billion.
There's got to be at least 20.
And each one of these contains slime.
That's cool.
49?
49. Let's go with 49. All right, so the plan for the rest of the day, because our flight is tomorrow, we've got to water park it up. This time we're gonna bring the lights. We've got to go to the arcade, cash out our tickets. I think that's it. Get
We're
some
gonna run
candy.
amok. Tonight is the last
We
night
have to
run
do
amok.
everything, so we're at the halfway point. We must do everything there is left to do,
And twice.
and then we're getting on an airplane.
I'm going back home.
Okay, board shorts on. It's time to go. You get the board shorts on? Nice.
Are you guys ready to hit the water slides today?
Yeah, and guys, out on the back for the first time. I know last time I was kidding, but I'll try my best.
You're gonna go in the front, the back, and I'm gonna get to go in the front. It is our last day here. It's our last day to take advantage of this water park. We're gonna do nothing more than hit every single slide right now. Let's go. Oh, Jason! Jason!
flying all over the bridge. Oh my gosh, it's falling. It's falling. Oh, it's falling right now. Watch. It's falling. Look. Oh my gosh, it's falling. It's falling. Oh my gosh. It just fell. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This one is super, super fun. Oh my gosh. That up there just dropped right there and I almost walked into it. I'm gonna go down the slide.
Casey, let's go.
Ready, set, go. Don't let the putty touch the ground. Don't let it touch the ground. Oh no. All right, well, that was a starter. That was a starter. Let's go again, man. Go. Pull it across the red line. Pull it across. Oh, good job. Where do you want to go?
Whoa, that's cool. Rainbow putty. Nice. Once overtime. Who's sad that we're leaving?
That's always the worst part.
Leaving's the worst part.
I thought you were sleeping.
Are you sad that we're leaving Great Wolf Lodge? All right, well, our bags are packed. It's time to get on an airplane. The walk of shame. The saddest part about any vacation or road trip or hotel stay is that sad walk whenever you're going to check out. And that's what we're doing now.
Back to reality.
Yeah, back to reality walk. The back to reality walk. No more fun, at least for now. Broken.
You did it.
So we have to change airplanes now. Thanks, Taylor. Thanks for breaking the air conditioner.
Break it?
We're gonna blame it on the new family.
Yeah, the new family's on this plane and they broke it. So let's make sure we know that it's their fault. Yeah. So thanks, new family. I'm pretty sure it was the new family's fault. They're in the very back. They're the ones to blame. Well. What did you guys do? What did you guys do? It was his fault. He did it. Oh, I let everyone on the plane know that it was your guys' fault.
I'm just glad we're all safe.
Yes. I can't believe you can't take noobs on an airplane. You can't take noobs on an airplane. Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys are acting sus. I forgot my shoes. Yeah. Okay, to the next plane. I think the word on the street is the next one works. Yeah. So it flies.
I asked her, I said, is it the same plane? She said, she thinks
Well, airplane number 2, and we haven't even left Arizona yet. All right.
It should be interesting in Atlanta.
Oh yeah.
Have a sketch feeling about this.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be great. You ready, Kason? You think this airplane's gonna work? Yeah. Oh, you think the new family's gonna break this one too? I hope not.
no, don't even blame us.
Let's go get a hotel room.
Are we gonna sleep like what, 4 hours? Then we gotta be back off the plane again. Like, oh, you got to your hotel and checked in. All right, time to pack back up.
It's an adventure. All right, so we're riding the shuttle. You guys ready to get crazy back there? I don't know what's going on. Woo! All right, so not only did we take a shuttle, but we had to stand on the shuttle. So many firsts today, and now we're going to a random hotel in Atlanta. It actually smells really good though. This hotel smells like candy. Okay, so who thinks this room's gonna be just as good as Great Wolf Lodge? No. This is a tough act to follow because we just came from Great Wolf Lodge and now we're here at the Murder Hotel.
Definitely in the Murder Hotel.
I don't want to go to sleep. This place is gross. What is this?
I don't know. we should have slept at the airport. I'm starting to think we should have just stayed in Phoenix.
Yeah.
But now, now we're here. Let's make the best out of it. Let's jump on the beds. So we go to get on an airplane. The airplane breaks. It's pretty much the new family's fault. Then we get to Atlanta. There's no more flights, so they throw us in this random hotel that
Sucks, and I'd rather sleep at the gas station.
Speaking of gas station, there's one in the parking lot. So we haven't eaten any dinner. Like, honestly, we haven't eaten anything because there's no food on the flights. So we're gonna go to the gas station, and yeah, we're doing gas station for dinner. This may be the craziest vlog we've ever made.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to eat at the Chevron for dinner.
Ooh, I one.
Man, you can't. Oh, Pringles. Yeah, Pringles is good.
Right.
I got chocolate milk,
Can we get some
sour cream and onion.
Where are the cheeses at?
Let's go look on the other aisle.
We need the cheeses.
Dinner.
Victory Royale.
Dinner is served. Oh yeah, we got
where's the fridge?
some kids Lunchables, some adult Lunchables, Pringles, dill pickles, chocolate milk,
Yeet.
Cheez-Its.
Yeet, that's all yours.
Let's have some dinner, Kason. Okay, so a quick recap of the day. Went to an airport, sat on an airplane for 2 hours. Airplane broke down. Got on another airplane. Flew to Atlanta. It's currently 1:30 in the morning. Haven't eaten any food. We raided a gas station. We're eating snacks for dinner. We've got to be up in 4 hours to catch the next flight. We got to be up in less than 4 hours to catch our next flight. And we have no luggage, and we can't take showers, and we don't have any clean underwear.
So bad for our neighbors.
And our neighbors probably hate us because it's almost 2 o'clock in the
I
morning.
was talking about the airplane neighbors for tomorrow, but
Those guys too. Oh yeah, we're gonna stink on the airplane. It's gonna be a stinky ride on the airplane tomorrow. We literally have 0 luggage. Let's eat some gas station food. We'll see you in the morning. Hours of sleep, and this is the size coffee she brings me.
that's all they had.
Take your fork for
This
your
is so
coffee.
cute.
Where's your help?
I'm like, I don't have any.
Oh, I was waiting on coffee, but now I can help. Airport Breakfast of Champions. What do you think about the Airport Breakfast of Champions?
Breakfast of champions.
Yeah, I miss Great Wolf Lodge. Airplane number 5, 6, 7.
Okay, guys.
I don't know.
So whenever it says you've arrived at your destination, that means you've arrived at Destin.
Nation, we've arrived. I think everyone's starting to hallucinate at this point because we only had 3 hours of sleep and we've just been hopping from plane to plane to plane to plane after a long weekend. Time to board. Good morning. Oh, thank you.
Dude, look, there's no one in the plane.
Oh look, yeah, the plane's
There's
completely
like
empty.
maybe 3 or 4 people.
This plane smells like pee. Our last airplane. We made it, Casey, we made it. We made it to Florida finally.
Alright, let's go to sleep now.
Hey, our luggage made it! Yay!
I was
made it.
I was so scared.
We should probably go get it now. Holy moly, I haven't showered in days.
So gross.
Oh, what a great vlog. What a great adventure we had today. Who's ready to go home and go to bed? I don't think I've ever witnessed anything like what we witnessed on this flight back home. Yeah, like it was crazy. Never been on a plane that ever broke down before. I've never had the airline put us in a hotel, a random hotel before.
Our friends sabotaged us.
Never been on a plane with YouTubers that broke a plane before. Yeah. Never, what else have we never done? Never been to Arizona. There's a lot of firsts on this trip. Never gone to Clamour. A lot of firsts on this trip, so thanks for watching. Thanks for coming with us. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for being a part of our family. It's time for us to go home, take a bath, get some real breakfast that's not airport food,
Play some Roblox.
and play some Roblox. And we'll see you next time.